What's up guys, AK with DCC Train. In this video, before final assembly of that Rocco passenger car, I want to show you a couple of things about that ESU LED bar and marker lights I installed over there. So I'll show you how it's everything working at the end of the video. I hope it will help you to avoid any trouble if you're doing installation yourself, because it can be complicated. And if you'd like to join membership, that will help channel a lot. Thank you very much. So let's get started. 2 LEDs as a marker lights here, like European stuff. Those guys can go to the passenger car as well and freight car. 5069 Visman, very cool. When I took them out of the bag and looking at them, I checked resistors came with the set, and that colored diagrams, you know, kind of rings around. I don't remember. A long time ago when I worked at the factory assembling electronics, I kind of remember, but this is like confused me a little bit. I thought like, okay, let's not messing around. Start my tester, checking them. I thought it will be 1K. No, it's 10K. And here's the manual. And every time I'm telling you, read the manual, yeah, you can start laughing like who's reading the manual. I'm glad I look. But I was concerned about those color diagrams. 10K. So, oh, what's going on? So those LEDs can go from 6 to 24 volts, AC, DC, and digital signal. So they're not saying DCC, can be Motorola as well. I thought like, oh my goodness, why? Because those 2 pads, original ESU bar, came with marker lights here, but those 2 outputs actually parallel for 2 marker lights. I cannot use them. They require some housing. Those like 3 volts. I thought, no, I don't want to even take a chance to blow those nice LEDs, because it can be possibility to burn them out. Also, this output on the function 0, I can remap, but extra layer of complicity. Directional, so I need a disabled directional, because if just car sits on the track, I want it turn it on, turn it off, not directional. So I thought to use output on function 1, the first, let's say, auxiliary output, because it's not, it can be directional anyway. So I thought, let's do it. Use those 10K resistors. And here we go. Demonstration is coming. So I use both of them just to be on the safe side. They parallel to output function 1, but not taking a chance. This is capacitor, special pads for it as well. They selling separately, and I strongly recommend to get it because it works great. I'm going to show you those marker lights. Here we go. Here, the lights in the car. F2 turns everything on, or you're going to individual sections. How cool is this? That will be all for today. Thanks for watching, supporting business, and if you please join membership, that helps channel a lot. Have a good one. Bye bye.